Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's been a while that I have posted anything on my YouTube channel, which I'm not proud of. But being said that, the last video was all about welcoming Ganesh ji to our home. Obviously now Ganesh festival is over, and it's been many days past that, but still I do have some of the nicest memories from this festival which we celebrated in the recent time. These were the best days of my life, and I really wanted to share everything. So please do watch this video, and sorry for uploading this very late. I hope you guys enjoy, and yes, you can go ahead and watch now. Alright, so guys, this is the day when we welcome Gauri ji into our home, and here we have prepped everything up. Okay, so this is the actual Gauri, the flower, and these are the idols. Aren't they pretty? They are so beautiful. So here is my mommy doing the puja and welcoming Gauri ji into our home. So we were 5 of us, like 5 women who do the puja and aarti, and then Gauri ji enters the home. So you'll see that now. So this is my nani doing the aarti. So you guys have met her, and she's lovely. Now it was time that mom did the aarti. So here is mom. Here is Mami's sister Pinky Maushi doing the aarti. And finally this is me doing the aarti. So after everyone had done the puja and aarti, we welcomed Gauri Mata into our home. Here is my nani and mami bringing Gauri Mata home. Now, for those who don't know, Gauri Mata is actually an avatar of Parvati Mata, who is Lord Ganesha's mother. So when Gauri Mata comes home, she's been taken all around the home and showed every corner of the home, and this is what is happening here right now. सो अब है सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग एंड एक्साइटिंग पार्ट, जहाँ पे हम गौरी माता को सजाएंगे. सो इनिशियली वी हैड दिस आइडिया कि हम नववारी साड़ी पहनाएंगे, बट लेटर ऑन इट वाज चेंज टू साववारी साड़ी, and we took a bit of time to do all this, and every year it happens that one Gauri Mata gets dressed up very quickly and the other one takes a bit of time, and this year was no different. It happened. So here is the first Gauri Mata getting dressed up, and this was a green sari look, and it turned out very, very, very beautiful, and this took very less time compared to the other sari, but yeah, both the looks came out to be very, very good. You'll see in a moment. And this is the second sari, and now it was time for the mukhote to go on these idols. और अब है ज्वेलरीज का टाइम, एंड गॉड, they looked amazing, guys. Please tell me in the comments if you liked it. I loved it. It was wonderful. Means they were looking so beautiful. So this was Mami's idea that one Gauri Mata will be in gold jewelry and the other will be in oxide, and it turned out really beautiful, as you can see it here. So guys, here is Nani with the actual Gauri. इसे गौरी कहते हैं, and the other is just idols representation, and this the original Gauri is being kept besides Ganesh ji. And here is the final look of Ganpati ji and Gauri Mata together. Please guys, in the comments down below do tell me कि आपको गौरी माता की सजावट और गणपति जी की सजावट एंड ऑल दिस डेकोरेशन कैसा लगा. सो हियर इज़ द फर्स्ट गौरी माता इन ग्रीन साड़ी एंड गोल्डन ज्वेलरी, एंड हियर इज़ द सेकेंड गौरी माता इन पर्पल साड़ी एंड ऑक्साइड ज्वेलरी. आई विल शो यू गाइज एन अप क्लोज लुक ऑफ गौरी माता. यू गाइज विल लव इट.
जय देवी श्री लक्ष्मी माते हो, श्री लक्ष्मी माते प्रसन्न हो उनियाता वरदे राम माते. जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी जय देवी.
सो इस दिन गौरी माता जी का आगमन था, एंड शाम को छोटी सी पूजा हुई, आरती हुई, एंड द नेक्स्ट डे वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू विल सी नाउ. So next day was Haldi Kunku, which I did not really shoot much, but here we are performing the evening aarti. So after the aarti, here we played some music and everybody had a wonderful time. Here is Paras Manas dancing. So there is a tradition of having Jimma Fugdi during Gauri Ganpati, and here is what is happening. So please enjoy this, and I might get a copyright for this, but I really wanted to show you the raw footage and the rawness of the fun we had. सो गाइज दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट डे जब गौरी गणपति जी का विसर्जन होना है. सो वी आर जस्ट प्रेपिंग फॉर दैट. पता ही नहीं चला कि 5 दिन कैसे चले गए. And I guess these 5 days were the best 5 days of the entire year. So before the Ganpati Visarjan, Ganpati ji is being shown around the house, the entire house, so that he blesses the entire home and everybody around. So this is what is happening, and just looking back I feel very emotional because this has come to an end now, and Gauri Ganpati will come again next year. But yeah, so here is Ganpati ji and Gauri ji shown around the entire house to shower their blessings on us. And here is Atharva holding Ganesh ji, taking Ganesh ji to the spot where we have to perform the Visarjan. And here we have arrived at the location. So यहाँ पे गणपति जी गौरी जी का विसर्जन होगा. And here we are having the final aarti before the Visarjan. And here is Mama taking Ganesh ji for Visarjan. I am sorry for the lighting, it was night time तो ठीक से clearly दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. But yeah, here is what is happening कि गणेश जी का विसर्जन हो रहा है, गौरी माता जी का विसर्जन हो रहा है. And we are back from the Visarjan. Here is Atharva, and this is the pebble that we brought home from the place of Visarjan. And now we'll perform the final Aarti.
करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उच्चेंदुराची कंठी जळके माळ मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती हो श्री मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन माधे मन So guys, that was it, and what lovely times. I mean, you saw the video, it was amazing, and I had so much fun. We played so many games, and it was just such pure atmosphere and such happy vibes and such positive energy everywhere. We really had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys had fun watching this video. And yeah, so if you did, do like this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, and I need the support to grow this channel. So yeah, please support me, please like the video, please share the video, and enjoy your life, be happy, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, bye.